Hey lovelies, welcome and welcome back to another video. Welcome to my channel. If today is your first time here, please do not make it your last. Kindly hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, so whenever I post a new video you'll be notified specially. Okay, now to my amazing returning viewers, my returning subscribers, them, you guys, you're not too much. Thank you so much for always coming back, and yeah, I really do appreciate your presence every single time. So in today's video, I'm going to be styling my gorgeous bob knotless braids that I added beads to. Hello for the crackling. Hello. So yeah, I'm going to be styling them in as many ways as possible in this video. I have other styling videos. I'm going to link them in the description box. I'm also going to be adding a few of them with the cards somewhere here, I don't know where. So yeah, so I just thought that let me also style this one. I really do not I really do not have an idea of all the styles that I want to do. We're going to be winging it. All right, so let me not waste any more of your time. Kindly stay tuned to see how I style them. And by the way, I did film a video of how I made them. Yes, I DIY'd this knotless braids. I'm also going to link it. That's going to be the first video that I'm going to link. Kindly go watch it if you missed that upload. And now let's get right into the video. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you took a lot from it as per usual. That is why I do all of this video, because I want to teach you all something, you know. Yeah, so I really love this one, guys. I'm so glad I'm ending with this look, because it is bomb.com. You guys, let me know what you think about any of the looks, and yeah, which one is it for you? I would like to know in the comment section, and I'll catch you on my very next one. Bye.